Customize your deal list view by choosing the fields and layout you need. Organize data your way and access important information faster. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Click on System. Click on Deals attribute. Click on Deals attribute. Click on Add attribute. Click on the Catalog Input Type field. The list of input types will be displayed. Select the text field and enter the value in front-end label. Select Yes for the Is Used On-Site field. Click on Front-End Properties. Click on Yes Visible on Filter field. Click on Custom Properties. Click on Yes Custom Field 1. Click on Yes Custom Field 10. Click on Save. The attribute has been created successfully. Click on System. Click on Deal Aesthetics. With the Deals of 8 deal, click on Edit. Click on Add Icon. Select the created attribute. Click on OK. The created attribute has been added to the attribute set. Click on Save. Click on System. Click on Deal Grid. Click on Add Deals Grid. Enter the data. Click on Grid Source. Enter the custom grid values. Click on Field. Enter the value. Select the same value that you entered in the field name. Select Yes in the Visible and Filter field. Click on Add Column. The same attribute you created will be displayed here. You can select the value in the Property field. For the Owner column, choose Owner as the property. The Actions field is mandatory for all custom grids. Only then can you edit the lead and set Visible and Filter to No. Click on Save. The Deal Custom Grid has been created successfully. Click on System. Click on CRM Setting. Click on Default Type. Select the Custom Grid Type option. Click on Custom Deals Grid Type. Select the custom grid you created. Click on Save. Click on Deals. Click on Table. Click on Table View. The Deal Custom Grid page has been created successfully.